people. It's been a while, but I wanted to show you a new feature. I actually posted a video a few days ago on it, but I didn't have any explanation on it. It was just more of a music background, and you got to see kind of the feature within my app. But I wanted to show you or talk through how important this feature is or how cool this feature is. So this feature, I'm actually going to get to it first. Let me go to, so I'm using Ben Makes Data Easy. This essentially interacts with your Power BI workspace. What the feature I'm going to show you today is very, very specific refresh capability. And being able to do this with Ben Makes Data Easy. And that refresh capability is through your Power BI workspace. So hear me out. So let's say you have, let's say, either a SQL Server database, maybe a BigQuery or GCP database, and there's a stale table of data in one of those databases. And let's say 10 of your semantic models use that table. They refresh fine, and those semantic models, let's say, take 20 minutes. Let's say they're bloated, they take 20 to 30 minutes to refresh. But there's that one table that the business needs, and it refreshed, but the data was still in it, didn't fail, and you need to get it refreshed. So, okay, you go in and you hit all those refreshes, 10 models, 20, 30 minutes each. That takes a lot of time. But let's say you want to just refresh that single table. You can actually do that with my app. I'm going to show you how. Let me get to the feature. Okay, so the feature is how do I manage data set refreshes? And this is so cool what it does. So what it's going to do right away, it's going to start loading all of my semantic models within that workspace. And it's going to give me a list of the semantic models and the tables within those semantic models. And then what I can actually do is I can actually pick what semantic model and what table I want to refresh. So it's table specific. So I don't have to refresh the entire semantic model. I can actually refresh a specific table in a semantic model, and I can pick multiple tables in any semantic model, so it doesn't have to be a single one. So that's really cool and really powerful. Um, Another really cool thing about this is, again, like I was saying, let's say it's in a SQL Server table and you want to find that specific table. So let's say, I don't know, I'm going to do department. Okay, that's the table name, let's say. Now that's what this is actually doing. It's actually searching through all of your M code, and it's telling you what tables and what models actually have that within their M code. So then I can pick, oh, okay, I want to refresh these three tables within these three models. I'll refresh the selected ones. So we have the product, we have customer journey and funnels and sales. So let's go into these models really quickly. I'm in my workspace now, and I'll show you that these refreshes kicked off. We can make sure it's working as expected. So let's go into the refresh, and we can see 12/2. That's the date, 5/02. Very quick refresh there, because again, it's refreshing that one model. I think this was another one that it refreshed, and we can see that's already done. And then let me look at that third one, customer journey and funnel. Let's look for that one. It's this one. They all refresh. Again, very cool. Targeted refreshes in instances where you don't want to refresh that entire model. And you can do it with this app. Hope you all enjoyed it. Have a great night, everybody. Talk to you later.